what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video today we're gonna be changing our i20's battery. It's Excite i20 2018 model. So today we're gonna be replacing it. It's already dead, and let's find some new one. Please follow the full video to get the procedure how to replace the i20 battery. As you can see, even if I press the key and lock, nothing is happening with the car. Opening the boot. I have done everything. This is the main power. And I need to take this clamp off first to put the battery in. Yeah. Okay, we have. Now let's tighten it. It's not shaking. Once the battery is disconnected, you need to connect the positive terminal first. So let's do it. Here we are. It's done. We have connected the battery, positive, negative. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we got the power. Wow, nice. Started. Everything is set. Oh guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, it was a handbrake. Watching my video guys. I hope you all got the knowledge how to replace the battery. To subscribe to my channel, and thank you.